Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alright. Get the shout out done this week. Get the little pre-mix. Make sure I got them all. And we have, we had Judy&Spirit. A sister from another mister. Where is, I know I have her sticker. Let me see if I can find, oh, there it is. So here's her sticker right here, next to Orion, Shalisa Shell, Plain Old Chuck, BC Gerbs, Southern Patriot, I'm trying to remember her channel name, sorry sister, Mid Tennessee Outdoors, and then Arab and Outdoors, Rest in Peace Brother, and Expeditionary Johnny. Sweet.
Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all their information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, videos usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.